In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily find the best working H&M promo code or coupon code or discount code in October 2022. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first, open up your web browser and then at the search box type in H&M promo code and then hit on search. It shows you up different websites where you can find a lot of free coupon codes. I'll show you at that example how it looks like. Here I got 16 different promo codes. I can scroll down to see them all. For example, there that coupon gives me 15% off for orders using mobile app. Then I can tap there at more details to get some extra information, and next I can tap at show coupon to see that discount code, and here I can tap on that icon to copy it to my clipboard, and then I can move to H&M website or to its mobile application where I can use that code. Just don't forget to enter it before paying any money. And if for some reason happened that this promo code doesn't work, you can in any time go back to the site and from here try to use another coupon code. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.